Hey, what's up you guys? This is your guy Neri and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we will be talking about intermittent fasting. Paano nga ba ito nakakapayat at paano nga ba ito ginagawa? I'm encouraging you guys to watch this video until the end because I will be sharing to you my personal tips on how you will get better and faster fat loss results while doing intermittent fasting. So let's start. So what is intermittent fasting? For everybody's information, intermittent fasting is not a diet. It is more of a pattern eating. So, it is all about timing guys kung kailan at anong oras ka dapat kumain. If you will going to ask me, is it effective or not? My answer is a big yes. But, only if you are on an actual caloric deficit. IF or intermittent fasting is just a tool to help us maximize lose excess fats. Remember, it is not really the IF that makes people lose fat. Nakadepende pa rin ito kung nakaset yung calorie intake mo para pumayat. Sa madaling salita guys, IF is just a supporting tool para mapabilis yung pagbabawas natin ng taba. So take note guys, as long as you are not eating beyond your caloric needs, that is already an assurance na papayat ka. So paano nga ba ito ginagawa? Intermittent fasting is an eating strategy for us para kumain ng dalawang malalaking meals in one day. That should be 2 satisfying big meals in one day. Normally, intermittent fasting has an 8-hour eating window and a 16-hour fast. Yung iba, nakakaya nilang mag-fasting more than 16 hours. Yung mga sanay na talaga. Is it flexible? The answer is yes. Pwede mong i-adjust ang eating window mo depende sa oras ng trabaho o lifestyle na meron ka. Basta make sure that you are maintaining that 8-hour eating window and 16-hour fast. When you say eating window guys, it means that is the only amount of time given to you to consume all your meals within the day. It doesn't matter if you break it down into 3 meals within an 8-hour eating window as long as after that 8-hour, you should no longer have any food intake. For example, if my last meal for the day or dinner will be at 8 p.m., magbibilang ako ng 16 hours para mag-fast. So yung susunod kong meal will be around 12 p.m. the next day, which will be my lunch. So ang mangyayari, I will have an eating window starting from 12 p.m. in the afternoon until 8 p.m. in the evening. And that is exactly 8 hours of eating window. So I hope naintindihan nyo yung idea guys. Actually, ganun lang siya ginagawa. So question, how is intermittent fasting help us reduce or lose fats? Paano nga ba ito nakakatulong para magbawas tayo ng sobrang taba? The moment you wake up in the morning having no energy left, galing dun sa mga kinain natin kagabi, our body has the ability to use or mobilize those excess fats para gamitin as source of energy. So kung may mga excess fats tayo, yun yung gagamitin ng katawan natin as energy source para dun sa mga daily activities natin during fasting. That is why IF is very effective during building muscle while maintaining a low body fat percentage. Kaya minsan meron tayong naririnig na nag-workout habang naka-fasting sila. So what are the benefits? Yun nga, IF help us for faster fat loss and makes people stay lean during building muscle. So what are the downsides of intermittent fasting? During the first week of fasting, normally makaka-feel tayo ng sobrang gutom. Kasi nga, yung katawan natin hindi pa sanay sa ganong klase ng eating pattern. Kaya ang ginagawa to suppress hunger is by drinking a cup of coffee and a lot of water during the fasting hour. So tanong, does drinking coffee and water breaks your fast? Literally guys, pwede mong sabihin na you break your fast kasi nga meron tayong something na in-intake. Pero para mas maintindihan nyo ng mabuti, if you will check the nutritional facts ng kape, a coffee has only 1 to 2 calories, a 0.3 gram of protein, which is almost negligible. Ang water naman guys has 0 calories. So technically speaking guys, you are not breaking your fast while drinking coffee or water during that fasting hours. Somehow, some study shows that drinking coffee while fasting improves mental alertness and increased metabolic rate. So kaya ang kape guys is isa sa pinakamabisang inumin lalo na kung gusto nating pumayat. But take note guys, dapat yung kape na iniinom natin should be brewed coffee without any sugar or creamer. So if nag 3-in-1 kayo, then our intermittent fasting will be useless guys. Disclaimer lang guys, I am not saying that I am a doctor or a dietitian. Lahat po ng sinishare ko sa inyong information was all based on my own experiences and research. They say that drinking coffee on an empty stomach can cause ulcer and other side effects. Hindi ko rin masasabi if all these vlogs saying that drinking coffee on an empty stomach is really a bad thing. Kung meron kayong maibibigay na scientific basis nito, then I will take it. Actually guys, I've been doing this kind of lifestyle for almost 4 years already. So personally speaking, is it not long enough that I can be able to say that those articles are not true? But still, the best thing for you to do is ask for your doctor's advice before doing this kind of dieting strategies. But if you think that you are healthy enough and you don't have any health issues, then maybe pwede mong gawin ang intermittent fasting. Okay.
Nagana daw pa.
That's all for today guys. I just want to thank you for actually watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to support me by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. So thank you guys, and see you on my next vlog.